Alright, so I'm going to show you two commandlets quickly today. One of them is get-command and the other is get-verb. Let's start with get-command. Get-command grabs you all the commandlets. It's simple enough. So you can find out all the commandlets to help you do what you need to do in PowerShell. And you can even supply a name parameter, give it a verb, and add a wildcard behind it, and you can get specific verbiage, or maybe you want to find something like maybe we want to see if there's a command with alias in it. Well, we have all these commandlets with alias, so that's really helpful when you want to find out different commandlets. And what you can also do is put those commandlets into get help and find out more information about them. So get command shows you all the commandlets, and then you can use that in conjunction with get help to find out more about it. And so that's really helpful. Now the other one probably won't come in handy for most people unless you're developing your own commandlets, and the next one is get-verb. And get-verb will display a list of accepted verbs for PowerShell commandlets. Now you don't have to follow this list of accepted verbs. You can create your own commandlets with any words you want, but it is encouraged to use this list of accepted verbs for consistency purposes. And one of the examples that was provided by Microsoft was for individuals that aren't familiar with English. Now you see we have this remove verb. It's approved. Imagine you created a commandlet that used the verb delete rather than remove. Well, a person that's not familiar with English isn't going to know that that's a synonym, that it means the same thing. But if they're familiar with PowerShell, they know that remove will delete something. So that's the concept behind approved verbs, and I think it's a good idea, especially since it's so easy to grab a list and just look through it. You know, you can find stuff related to whatever you're trying to create, and it just makes more sense. But I don't think a lot of people are gonna even need to worry about this unless they're developing their own stuff. But that's it. So we have get command, which will grab all of the commandlets on the machine, and then you can use get help to find out more about them. And we also have the get verb, which will help you be more consistent in creating your own commandlets so that others can use them as well more easily. That's it. So thanks for watching.